Ahoy sailors, welcome aboard. Today we're looking at a One Piece Paramount War booster box, and we're looking at 3 of them. Let's just get into it. So, yeah, first booster box. Yeah. I'm actually, using my voice right now, so it's gonna be a little quiet compared to usual. Yeah, spent the whole morning, putting these cards down there. Got first box topper of the 3. We got Tashigi. Looks pretty good. And for the revision pack of 7 starter deck cards. Crocodile, Nami, Killer, Straw Sword, Sentomaru, and Lead Performer Disaster. Oh, and Onigashima. Very nice. Alright, now this is just going to be a quick box break. So, I'm just going to go through these pretty fast. Thatch, Nukamaland, Shinbei, Blenheim, Yasakani, Sekijuro, Moji, Sentomaru, Ice Age, Whitey Bay, Garp, Masked Deuce, and Yamato. And Dawn, of course, but that's in every pack. Magra, Venom Road, Nekomamushi, Thatch, Ukamaland, Saul, Django, Moji, Whitebeard Pirates, Nico Robin, Seaquake. Oh, Alt Art Nami. Oh my goodness. Nice. Alt Art in the second pack. Good signs. Let's go. Third pack. Blue Gory, Zoro, Moby Dick, Sphinx, Wanda, Komil, Kabaji, Minokwala, Hancock, Shishilian, Bon Clay, and Shiryu. Impel Down All-Stars, Frankie, Ors Jr., Onigiri, Tashigi, Rosanarte, Mihawk, Onigumo, Whitebeard Pirates, Daifugo, Meteor Volcano, and a Kainu to go with it. How fitting. You may be a fool, but I still love you. Saldiv. Atmos. Land of Wano, Dobon, Full Body, Moria, Burndy, Isuka, Smoker, Hannibal, very nice, and Ahina. Solitaire, Dogra, Impel Down, Law, Kingdu, Yamakaji, Strawberry, Mr. Wan, Toki, Evancon, Vista, very nice, and Brooke. Law, Kingdu, Deathwing, Domino, Usopp, Doberman is in here. Okay, never mind. Full Body, Hydra, Rakuyo, Edward Newgate, Carrot, and Gum Gum Rain. I've gotten through most of the commons and uncommons. Deathwing, Domino, Usopp, Crocodile, Tsu, Curly Daddle, Buggy, and Shiki. Atmos. Nope. Land of Wano. Dobon. Magra. Full Body. Gecko Moria. Jaguar Gisal. Bartholomew Kuma. Tony Chopper. Helmeppo. Kobe. Oh, and Dace, let's go! Nekomamushi. Django. Moji. Makino. Burndy. Mogula. Jozu. And Carrot. Yeah, I really wasn't ready for this video. Wars Jr. Onigiri. Solitaire. Dogger. Impel Down. Dracula Mihawk. Yamakaji. Diablo Gem Venison Shot. Curly Dada. Sanji. Oh, Marco, let's go. And Paradise Totsuka. Blenheim, Yasukani Sacred Jewel, Sentomaru, Araback Black Fist, Morashi, Isuka, Gum Rain, and Sadie. Little Wars Jr., Three Sword Style Onigiri, Solitaire, Dogura. Fell Down, Yamakaji, Strawberry, Crocodile, Kuma, Inuarashi, Kobe, and Jozu. Nice. We got a full playset of Jozus now. Inazuma and Magellan. Nice. Just need one more Magellan until I have a full set. I actually had a dreams. I got a dream when I woke up. Oh, we got Sengoku there. Nice. And oh man, I should have done this video. Minotaur, Whitebeard Pirate, Spellmare, Marco, and Kuzan. Oh, that's a secret rare. Is it? No, super. Oh, yeah. Never mind. My bad. That's the fourth Marco as well. Got Zephyr, Paradise Totsuka, and Inazuma. Straw Hats, they're pretty strong, but once people learn how to play the new stuff, I don't think they'll be very strong. They don't seem to fare very well against the meta, unfortunately. Squad, Sengoku, and Nami. This is regular Nami, so we can compare them now. Hannibal and Hina. Little Wars Jr. Morley, Seaquake, and Eva. Flashy. Alright, so we've gotten 6 out of the 7 and 1 out of the 2 alternate arts. So are we going to get an alternate or are we going to get a secret? But find out pretty soon. Gaemon, Luffy, and Garp. Just 3 packs to go. Mr. 3, Judgment of Hell. Final 2 packs. And we've got something in them. Alright, what could it be? What could it be? We got Jinbei, Blenheim, Yasukani Sacred Jewel, Blugori, Roronoa, Sentomaru, Komil, Kabaji, Bartholomew Kuma, Minotaur, Monkey D. Luffy, and oh, we got the Uda film card. All right, that's cool. It's an alt art. Yeah, so the thing that's cool about this card is not only is it an alt art, it's also a secret rare. Yeah, secret rare. All right, so that's two of the better secret rares to pulled already. And then in the final pack, we got Dobon, Magura, Venom Road, Nekomamushi, Gecko Moria, Saul, Django, Bullet, Morley, Robin, Smoker, and Odin. That's my third Odin. Alright, and on to the next box. Yeah, at this point I'm just going to skip to the end every single time. Final two cards. Okay, box topper we got Toki, Vision Pack, Crocodile, Nami, Killer, Strawsword, Sentomaru, the Performer Disaster, and Onigashima Island. Gonna have a new playset of those pretty soon at this rate. Add on Kobe and Jozu. Wait, why did I go through? Okay. Got Carrot and Borzolino. Sanji, Gum Gum Rain, and Sadie. Sengoku, and fourth Modulon. Let's go. Now I can play Impel Down. Modulon, well, you know, the Impel Down engine works in a Kaido deck best, so most likely anyway. Brooke, Buggy, and we got the special Dawn. Oh, did I even notice the special Dawn in the first box? Or was there? Gaemon, Hannibal, Hina, Seaquake, and Luffy. I need 2 more Namis to play a Straw Hat deck tomorrow night. So fingers crossed. Whitebeard, Shiki, and Kobe. Jozu and Carrot. Garp and Odin. That's the fourth Odin. So we can play a full Wano deck now. Smoker, Marco, and Paradise Totsuka. Garp, Mr. 3, Judgment of Hell. Smoker and Masked Deuce. Inazuma. Oh, and Alt Art Luffy. Whoa, I didn't know there was a film Alt Art Luffy. That's cool. Alright. So there he is. Second Alt Art. Straw Hat. Now if we could just pull Sanji, it'd be incredible. We got a Yamato and a Kainu. Gum Gum Rain and Kuzan. Zephyr, Sadie, Sengoku. Eva, Bon Clay, Shuri. Meteor Volcano and Vista. Still wishing Vista got that altar. One of the close up on his mustache. Pipe, Brook, and Nami. Nice. We just need one more Nami. And then I can play Straw Hats tomorrow and get obliterated. She's like #1 card necessary to make that deck work. Magellan, Buggy, and Shiki. Final 3 packs of the second box. Hannibal and Masked Deuce. Alright. I think he is the least valuable card in the set, but he's an alt art. I mean, not least valuable, but like least valuable among the alt arts, but wanted to have all the arts at some point anyway. Final 2. Marco, Paradise Totsuka, Inazuma, and Eva. That's Eva #3, I believe. Yeah, that does it for that box. So on to the next one. Alright, final box. We're just doing the final rares. What did we get? Is this a double? We got, yep, Hancock. Alright. Doesn't matter if you pull a double. It happens. It's always gonna happen. Law. That's the ultra rare Law. Or I mean super rare. From the deck. Last Breath, cool. And Jack. Alright, first half of the last box. Spawn Clay and Shiryu. Meteor Volcano. And Odin. Full play set it on him. Or no, I already had a full play set. That's just an extra Odin. Inazuma, Hannibal. Kiemon, Vista, Brook, Smokey, Bon Clay, and Shiryu. Buggy, Shiki, Kobe, and a Kainu. Yeah, I believe that's a full playset of the Kainus as well. Garp, Jozu, and Carrot. Alright, thinking there's just about 4 of every single rare already. It's a relief. Gum Gum Rain, and Sadie. Sengoku. Ooh, and Luffy, hello. I think that's the first one of him I've pulled. That's a shock. 4th box, only 1. What? Hopefully not too pricey of a card. I have a couple more of these to do though. Eva, Marco, Paradise Totsuka. Okay, so I don't think there's been an altar in this box yet. Vista. Oh, and Garp. Hello. This is a rough one to look at. Very. Yeah, that's a nice card. Meteor Volcano and oh, whoa, okay, Altar Odin in the next pack, huh? So if someone bought this, like, they would have lucked out on these last 2 packs, like. All right, so we might have 12 packs without any like secret rares in there. That could be rough. Or maybe we'll pull another secret rare. We'll see. Hina and Ace. That's the second Ace. That was all I needed though. For now, anyway. Magellan, Seaquake, and Luffy. Man. Nami. Sanji, Masked Thief and Smoker. Yamato. Kizaru. Hina, Seaquake, and Shanks. Dawn. Whitebeard, Monkey D. Luffy, and Monkey D. Garp. Monkey D. Garp, Mr. 3, Mr. 3, Judgment of Hell, 3 packs to go. Judgment of Hell, nice. Oh, and Nami, let's go, full playset. Alright. I'd say I've gotten a full playset of everything I wanted, pretty much. No Luffy's though, that's a little unfortunate. We got Smoker and Whitebeard up. This is only the second Whitebeard. And final pack. Zephyr, Masked Deuce, and Yamato. Alright, that does it. 72 packs. Oh, that was a lot. Gotta say, I'm very satisfied with the results, however. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you next time if you made it this far. Holy. Bye-bye.